See, this is what happens when him and Tita come. Your little Shih Tzu comes over and takes over the house.
She went poop and did it too, by the way.
Good.
Oh.
She comes and takes over the house.
Who needs a phone when I got a live playing toy?
You like that puppy?
It's not a puppy, it's my puppy.
Come here, Bryce. Is that your puppy? Is that your puppy? You want to go see the puppy? You like the puppy? What happened to her head?
I don't know.
She got a big bump there.